Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Perdón Guitar. We have Mario BAUTISTA here with LEIDEN. This song is called Perdón. We will practice our bar hand here, just bar chords in the song, and it will go kind of in a square like this, round and round through the entire song. Alright, so let's take a look at the chords. We have first the C sharp sus chord. So that's a bar now on the 4th fret from the A string and down. So all strings except from the E here. And then the rest is 6 on D and 6 on G. And I forgot to mention, we don't need any capo for this one, but you're not blind. You'll see here, it's free. So anyway, that's the first chord, C sharp sus. Then the next will be the D sharp minor 7. So that's a bar here now on the 6th fret from the A string and down. So all strings except from the E here, same as in the C sharp. So you move up here to the 6th position here, 6th fret with the bar, and then the rest will be 8th on D and 7th on B. The next chord is the A sharp minor. That's a bar here on the 6th fret, still over all strings this time, and then the rest will be 8 on A and 8 on D. And we're moving back here to the 4th fret here with the next chord, the G sharp. You bar all the strings there on the 4th fret, and then the rest will be 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. So C sharp, D sharp, A sharp, G sharp, like a square. Nice and easy. All right, let's start this one up. Not that much left to mention here. We have a strumming pattern that is pretty easy. It goes down, down, up. So if you grab the C sharp here, and so one strum around will be like this. And that's the easiest way to handle this song here. It changes a little bit through this song, and the rhythm goes back and forth between different styles here, but this is what works through the entire song with one guitar. So down, down, up. All right, so you're gonna play that for 4 rounds per chord. So C sharp, then D sharp, A sharp, and G sharp. And that's it, my friends. Perdón. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Play tuned.